This is famous and really important position, and it is lost for black no matter who has the move. The best black can do is to keep the rook on the h file. If he plays something like rook e1, then just rook h3 and king is going on h7 and promoting a pawn. Many beginners would try something like this, trying to chase away the black king, but he is not forced to do so. Instead, the correct move is rook e3 and rook e4. This mysterious move would be explained in the following moves. So this was the reason why rook came to e4, to block this check, and pawn is promoting. If in this position black tries queen d6, then e6 check, and black rook is going to g5. On d5, the same idea, rook is going on g5.